Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you how to make almond milk at home. This is the best recipe. It's super creamy, easy, and delicious. For the longest time, I wasn't making almond milk at home because the recipes that I found were just so watery, but I have finally perfected how to get a really nice and creamy almond milk at home that's like easy to make, plant-based, vegan, and there's only a few ingredients. Plus, there's no harmful things like gums or carrageenan or anything like that. So it's super clean and super easy to make. So of course, the star of the show are almonds. I have been soaking these almonds overnight, or you need to soak them for about 8 hours. And I found that one of the keys to making a super creamy almond milk is to take the little skin off of the almonds. It's a bit tedious, but you get so much more of a creamy almond milk. So we're gonna rinse these off and take these skins off. So once your almonds are all peeled, you're going to need to grab your blender. And this is where my second tip comes in, is that golden ratio of water to almonds so that when we blend it, it stays nice and rich and creamy. And I find that 3.5 cups works really well. I've seen people use 4 cups and 5 cups, and to me, it just doesn't taste like a really rich and creamy almond milk. It tastes really watered down. So I find 3.5 is like golden. And then I also add a pinch of Himalayan salt, and then we are going to just blend it up and run it through our nut milk bag. And there you have your wonderfully creamy, fresh and delicious almond milk. This is so good to use in smoothies, in lattes, with cereals or granolas. It's so delicious. It keeps in the fridge for, I would say, about 3 days to taste the best, but it's so creamy and so yummy. So definitely try out making your own almond milk at home. I'm going to leave my last healthy recipe on the screen here so you can check it out, get more healthy recipes from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Tag me if you make your own almond milk using this special ratio and tips, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.